What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now it is Monday, it is the last week of July, and I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation for this week. So you guys get up and ready for this week, excited, enthusiastic for another new week, more chances to be successful, more opportunities to be great, and overall, another new week for you guys to be closer to your goals and dreams. So today I want to talk about the do's and don'ts if you want to become successful, because I hear a lot of people talking about how they want to become successful, how they want to do great things, how they want to, earn a lot of money, become financially free, do so many amazing things on this earth. And there are a lot of people who say these things, but they're doing the wrong things. So you guys might be those kind of people, you might not be those kind of people, but either way, I'm here to help you guys and enlighten you guys ahead of this coming week. Now, before we get into that today, I do want to say again, a huge thank you to you guys. It sounds like I'm saying this every day, but I really am thankful to you guys. Thank you guys for liking the videos, subscribing, commenting, sharing, all the good stuff. We've gained almost 80 subscribers in the last few weeks, and when I compare that to January to March, from January to March, we earned about 120. Now, if you put that into perspective, 80 in a few weeks compared to 120 in a few months is a ridiculous improvement. So again, thank you to you guys. Now, that does not mean you guys stop that. Again, on this video, on this Monday motivation, please give that thumbs up if you guys are enjoying these videos. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Comment and let me know what you guys want to see. Comment and let me know if you're new, if you've been around here. Comment and let me know your thoughts on the video. Just drop it in the comment section below if you guys are doing these things, if you're not doing these things. But either way, let me know what you guys think. Lastly, I do want to say, please share these videos with your friends because we get them out to more people, help more people push them close to success, to their goals and their dreams, get close to their targets, smashing their objectives, their resolutions, all that kind of stuff. But now, today, let's talk about what you need to do if you do want to become successful. Let me tell you a few things you should be doing. Saving your cash, being grateful, challenging yourself, learning, self-reflection. Those are a few of the things you should be doing, this week especially. Now let me tell you a few of the things you shouldn't be doing if you want to become successful. Partying every weekend, chasing every trend, being lazy. These are just a few of the things you should not be doing if you want to become successful. So it's a Monday, and many people who don't enjoy their jobs, many people who don't enjoy what they're doing, Monday comes around, they're trying to roll out of bed, they're upset, they're dreading another week. And quite frankly, that happens to many of us, no matter what stage in our life we're in. I'm sure, you've experienced it, I've experienced it, sometimes it's just a part of life. So I'm not gonna slate you for that. But if you're not doing anything to make a change, then I can only tell you guys, stop complaining. Because if you're being lazy, if you're spending each weekend partying, spending a lot of money, chasing trends, trying to keep up with people, just so you can live nice for a couple of days when, next 5 days you're not gonna enjoy it, then you're not on the path to where you should be going. You're not gonna get anything that you wanna get, and eventually you're not gonna become successful. So again, you want to become successful, be hardworking. Wake up today enthusiastic, ready to go out and step out and do what you need to do. Focus today on being grateful. Do you know how many people would love to be in your situation? Please, some of you need to just visit a third world country. See how many people have to, walk miles and miles for clean water. See how many people don't have access to electricity. See how many people just don't have what you guys have. Whether that's internet, whether that's having a phone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, whether it's, having legs, it doesn't matter. There's so many things you guys need to be grateful for. And again, if you want to become successful, part of it is becoming grateful. Part of it is learning to be grateful. Not complaining, not moaning about your situation. Because quite frankly, it could be a lot worse. And I know it's really easy to complain about a situation. That's perfectly normal. As humans, that's just natural for us. And especially in today's day and age where we have social media, we see what other people are doing, we see how other people are living life. Yes, it's perfectly normal to complain and want more. There's nothing wrong with wanting more, but it's always important that you're grateful. I see enough people saying, they hate their job, they hate this and that. Sure, but you know how many people are unemployed, especially right now, a period like this where we have a pandemic? Do you know how many people would love to have your job? Remember that when you do whatever you do. Remember that and always be grateful. Now let's talk about challenging yourself. You have to challenge yourself. If you don't challenge yourself, how are you going to become better? If you're sitting in your comfort zone, not really pushing out, not really branching out, not really pushing yourself to extreme, you're not going to improve. Like I said on Saturday's video, when I talked about your group of 5 friends, if you're that, the strongest link in that chain, it may seem like you're doing something, but you're not really doing something. You're not as good as you should be. You're not as good as you think you are. You have to start branching out and becoming better. That means challenging yourself. This week, my challenge for you guys is to challenge yourself. I'm going to challenge myself as I do each and every week, but my aim, my challenge for you guys this week is to go out there and challenge yourself. Challenging yourself is how you become successful. Challenging yourself is how you bring out the best in yourself. Challenging yourself is how you learn more about yourself and bring out, again, the best of your abilities. Without challenging yourself, quite frankly, you're not going to get very far. So you need to start challenging yourself if you do want to become successful. And I know a lot of people don't like challenging themselves. They like staying in their comfort zone, not really believing in themselves. When you push yourself to your limits, when you try and just, branch out and step out and do things you've never done before, you really do realize how much you can do. You start to understand just how much you're capable of. Again, challenge yourself this week. Now again, let's branch into a couple of those things you shouldn't be doing. Each and every weekend, spending a lot of money, wasting a lot of money, and partying. If you spend Friday night and Saturday night partying and spending money, especially those of you who spend money on bottles in the club, I know right now not a lot of clubs are open, but there are some bars and stuff going on that that are open. Guess what? If you do that, you spend a lot of money, that kind of thing, I'm sorry to say you won't be successful. Because if you're doing that right now where you're not successful, well, what makes you think you can be successful? Not a lot. If you do that when you don't have a lot of money, what makes you think you can get a lot of money? Especially those who struggle, to save $100. How do you think you're gonna become successful when you struggle to save $100? Each and every week, if you can't save $100, you're doing something wrong. You wanna become successful, start saving money. Start looking at ways to save money. Start going onto YouTube. Start finding out stuff on Google. How can you start saving money? Don't even think about how you can start investing money yet. Just think about how you can start saving money. Start with the basics. Because a lot of you do wanna be successful, and I like that. But a lot of you don't wanna do the things that it takes to become successful. So you can't save money. You're splashing the cash, you're wasting the cash each and every weekend. Do you guys not realize how much this adds up? And I'm just talking about the weekend. For some of you guys, as you guys know, you guys do it during the week on food, on coffee, on drinks, on whatever it may be. But specifically here, I'm talking about the weekend because that's just gone past, and a lot of you guys would have spent a lot of money on partying, a lot of money on going out, trying to catch up with trends, trying to follow other people, trying to copy other people. And that brings me on to that point of talking about trends again. Social media is lying to you. People are wearing nice clothes. I've been through that. I know what I'm talking about here. People buy nice clothes. People wear nice outfits. And it's all nice, it's good. But a lot of these people don't have the money that you actually think they have. Those people will not be successful to keep up with those trends. Trying to keep up with the trends, trying to buy nice clothes and nice outfits and then continually buy more so you can keep up with the appearance you've already created. Again, it's not easy. In the long run, it's going to catch up to you. You need to start being smart with your money. Start finding out ways you can save your money, start paying off debt, start investing, whatever you may want to do. The same money that you're spending on $700 on shoes on, $1,100 on jeans, $200 on top, $300 on a hoodie. Yeah, that's not going to get you very far in the long run. Especially when you want to become successful, that's not going to get you there. If you want to become successful, start using your money how successful people use their money. And if you don't know about that, there are enough videos on this channel about wealth, about being rich, about where you should spend your money, those kind of things. And there are enough videos out there on YouTube. It doesn't have to just come from me. There are many channels which talk about this. But control your spending, stop trying to keep up with trends, stop trying to look rich just purely because of social media's influence on you. Whether that's your friends' influence on you, whether it's social media, I don't care. Stop doing those things because it's not going to get you where you want to get to. It's not going to get you where you deserve to get to. Now the last point I want to touch on is hard work. And the reason I want to touch on this last is because I really want you guys to listen here. Hard work. Success will never ever reach you without hard work. You will never ever reach success without hard work. I can't tell you enough. That is just one of the things that's never gonna happen. You might get lucky if you complain a little bit and you end up still being successful. You might get lucky if you waste a little bit of money here and there on partying. You might get lucky trying to challenge yourself every now and then, but not consistently, and again become successful. You might even be that person who chases trends and eventually still gets lucky. But one thing which you'll never do is be lazy and become successful. Success demands hard work. Success will automatically bring hard work out of you if you do become successful. You cannot be successful. Again, you cannot, I repeat, cannot be successful without any hard work. Hard work is one of the things you will have to do. So you guys better start learning how to work hard. If you don't know how to work hard already, work hard. If you guys want to know a little bit about working hard, editing and putting out a video each and every day, not only is that a part of consistency, but it's also a part of hard work. It is not easy. There are times you don't want to do it. But again, it's hard work. Going to the gym 6 or 7 times each and every week is hard work. Creating multiple sources of income for yourself is hard work. Being inspiring, helping people out, helping other people make money, helping other people succeed is all hard work. But in the long run, overall, what does it also equate to? Success. Success will not come without that hard work. Hard work will bring you success. And just so you guys understand, hard work isn't 2 months, 3 months of really grinding hard. That's not going to guarantee you success. I mean, it is hard work, yeah, but it's not going to guarantee you success. Hard work can be a year, 2 years, 5 years. But I tell you what, whenever you become successful, if it's 1 year from now, if it's 10 years from now, you will have to have had some hard work. You had to put in hours, put in grind, worked hard along the way. Ask any successful person you see, anybody you see being successful, anybody you see that you know is successful, anyone that you know has done well, has succeeded. None of them got to where they are at today without hard work. It doesn't matter what they do, whatever industry they're in. Entertainment, office jobs, music industry, arts, crafts, I don't care what it is. Without hard work, they did not get there. So one of the things you guys need to understand from the beginning is you're gonna have to work hard to get to where you want to get to. But I guarantee you, if you put in those hours, you put in the effort, you put in the time consistently, you will eventually get to where you deserve to be and where I know you deserve to be. But can you put in the hard work? I know I can put in the hard work. It's up to you to know if you can put in the hard work for yourselves. So you guys now know what it takes to be successful. Of course, it's not only those things. There are other things like patience, consistency, a little bit of luck, learning from your mistakes. However, I'm telling you guys, the things I mentioned today, being hardworking, not being lazy, staying, in the right frame of mind, not trying to chase trends, not complaining, being grateful for what you have, saving your money, not wasting it each and every weekend, splashing cash, wasting money, not challenging yourself, not pushing yourself towards the limit. I'm telling you guys, these are all factors which contribute to your success. Go out this week, be great, show yourself what you guys can do, push yourself to become better. It's another month down. It's the last week of July. Are you close to your goals? Are you closer than you were a month ago? Have you put yourself ahead? What are you doing? How are you spending your time? These are all questions you need to answer for yourself today, and hopefully you guys are answering them in the right way. Lastly, I do want to say there are links in the description. Please check them out. You guys know them by now. Online ebook, free cryptocurrency, free stock, my socials. my smartwatches, it's all there. Those links are in the description. But thank you guys for watching the Monday Motivation. Hopefully you guys are motivated. Go out again and be great this week. But that's for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money making, you've got success to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.